name is Joseph West, and I drive a horrible dirty ride. Not that I'm lazy or a slob. It all started after a long road trip in a car in desperate need of cleaning. We pulled into a car wash and picked up some schmuck down on his luck, Dick, and decided to give him a ride. What happened next, well, it could have just been a part of Dick's luck, like a bad movie remake full of plot holes that barely acknowledged the previous film, or something more sinister. Whatever it was, it got in the car wash and it went bad. Somehow Nick and I made it out alive. Dick, on the other hand, we now speculate, resides in some sudsy hell. After that, though, we vowed never to use an automatic wash again. Time went on and Nick was taken next. I wasn't there to see how it all went down, but little did I know I would share the same experience. This time it took another friend of mine, Joe. But once again I made it out alive. Now here I am today in a car that looks like it's seen hell. But that's the irony of it, I suppose. I refuse to ever clean my car. Not a car wash or even a hand wash. I saw what that hose did to Joe, and let me tell you, I don't swing that way.
Damn it, Alex, where in the hell have you got me at? You and Glenn conjured this idea up, did you? Did you? Shit. Every time, those idiots set me up. Hey! I didn't ask you to clean my windshield. I'm not giving you any money. Got that? Nick. Nick. You're dead. I went to your funeral. I thought I was the only one left alive.
Joseph West. You're the only one of us left unclean. Unclean.
Where am I? Oh God, why can't I move? Who are you people? What the hell's going on here? Oh God, it can't be.
As for why, old friend, well, you should know. To join us, of course.
Joe Jackson.
You've already said it yourself. You're the only one left. To where? Well, that you should know too. To where it all began, and so it shall end. To begin again! Wash, rinse, repeat, they say.
Wash, rinse, repeat. Wash, rinse, repeat. Wash, rinse, repeat.
We are ready to begin the ritual!
escape his fate.
Dick, really? You're the man behind the curtain? The hitchhiker? The first to die? A bit character? What an overused trope in horror. Can this day get any more meta?
Link, mink, stink! Untie.
Link, mink, and stink. Who's the catcher? Who's the pitcher? I guess you watch.
What the hell? I hadn't done that since I was 14.
This just take a minute. We'll run through the automatic wash right quick. What? What the?
Ah, your cleansing has begun.
Shit!
Soon you will be my underling.
You think you can win? You think you want me to join? Or you can suck it!
What is he doing?
Is he about to deep throat that thing?
Stop him, you numbskulls! He's scaring off the customers!
Payback. He's all yours, Link. Asshole.
If that's how you want it, then we'll have to cleanse you with an enema. Bring out the suppository!
Listen, buddy, it's not so bad. Soon you won't have to eat or drink anything. But let's skip the foreplay. All you have to do is serve the master.
I'll never be a slave to Dick. I only dig chicks.
I bet you'll change your mind once you've had your colon reamed. Wash, rinse, repeat. Wash, rinse, repeat. Wash, rinse, repeat. Wash, rinse, repeat. Come on, guys. You gotta at least buy me dinner first. Ram it through his pants. Ramming speed! Here comes the choo-choo. My ass! Master, nothing's happening. I'm aware of that, you idiot. Save me! Be obedient to me! I have used exhaustion!
I serve no one. I exist only to bring the pain most moist, like that burning sensation when you pee. It will consume your entire being. Welcome to the car wash from hell. How dare you enter? Listen me.
No means no!
Aha! Can't believe I made it out again. Take that, you sudsy son of a bitch!
How dare you turn your back on me after all we've been through? You are mine!
For God's sakes! How do you stop it?
You're not strong. You're a silky boy. Silk comes from the back of Chinese ware. Cleanliness is next to godliness.